If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides on making the most out of your streaming services. How to watch ESPN Plus on YouTube TV. Are you looking to enjoy ESPN Plus content via YouTube TV? Well, accessing ESPN Plus directly on YouTube TV isn't straightforward. There are ways to integrate and enjoy the wide array of sports that ESPN Plus offers. In this video, we'll walk you through how you can watch ESPN Plus through your YouTube TV experience. First, it's important to understand that ESPN Plus and YouTube TV are separate services. While YouTube TV includes regular ESPN channels, ESPN Plus is a standalone streaming service offering exclusive sports content. Here's how you can incorporate ESPN Plus with your YouTube TV viewing. Subscribe to ESPN Plus. Before anything, visit the ESPN website or app and subscribe to ESPN Plus if you haven't yet. Access ESPN Plus content using the ESPN app. Download the ESPN app on your streaming device if it's not already installed. Sign in with your ESPN Plus account. Once in the ESPN app, use your credentials to log into your account. Link your ESPN account with YouTube TV. Some versions of the ESPN app may allow you to sign in with your TV provider. Navigate to Settings, choose TV Provider, and sign in using your YouTube TV credentials. This step links your accounts. Explore ESPN Plus content. Now, you can watch ESPN Plus content through the ESPN app itself. While you're logged into both services, your viewing experience is richer, offering both YouTube TV's live ESPN channels and the exclusive content of ESPN Plus. Remember, ESPN Plus content must be accessed through the ESPN app, not directly on YouTube TV.